Guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's not going to be long. The action videos are going to pick up. My daughter's fixing to go on summer break. There's a nice little thing in the neighborhood. Oh, he's got to show off a little. Yep. Anyway, one of the issues I face when washing my car, especially the Acadia because it's so big, is the water hose gets caught on the wheel. Now, I never really knew there was a solution to this problem. I've never really looked into it until something was brought to my attention. This is the car wash HoseGlide, made in the USA. A lot of testing has gone into this to ensure that the opening or the channel is wide enough for different hoses. I've seen imitations on the market where this is a lot smaller. The hose will still get either caught in there or it'll flip up and ride up on top and still cause the issue. The large backing allows you to get more surface area under the car. Now, these are not made to run over, but in testing they have ran several over and they are not broken. So I'm going to give these a try. I think it's a great idea. And I will leave a link in the description on where you can buy these. But guys, if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I'll tell you how you can win a set of these from my channel for yourself. So guys, it's pretty straightforward. You're just going to push this under your tire. Do not be afraid to kick it. Give it a little boot. Get underneath there as hard as you can. I'm barefooted right now because I didn't want to bust my butt on the garage floor, which is very slick with my toe thongs. So you put it under and you give it a good hit. And then you go to the other side and you do the same thing. Guys, it is pretty much that easy. I was able to go all the way around the car and not once get my hose caught on the wheel. It did its job. Glide right through. So I'm going to finish this up with my trusty Harbor Freight. This is the Grants foam cannon, and then get it rinsed off.
like that ganja. Spit hot flames, easily come out the tundra. All the mother rappers spitting shit, so get that plunger. And none want war, cause they know we'll bring that thunder. It's the original criminal, yeah, that done dada. Who's spitting fire like dragons and there's no one hotter. If one try to come at me, then that one splatter. And no matter, I'll make sure everyone shatter. We got that fire, you cannot touch our empire. We'll make them all go retire, we'll give you what you desire. And once these rappers expire, we'll be the ones you admire. There is not one qualifier, we rising high like Messiah. And right now, we gon' bring that fire right up to ya and shoot it through ya. Our lyrics spitting like a Ruger. We are the rulers, this is our kingdom, hallelujah. Nobody truer, we got that fire, booyah, booyah. We got that fire, but that fire like that ganja. Spit hot flames, easily come out the tundra. All the mother rappers spitting shit, so get that plunger. And none want war, cause they know we'll bring that thunder. We got that fire, but that fire like that ganja. Spit hot flames, easily come out the tundra. All the mother rappers spitting shit, so get that plunger. And none want war, cause they know we'll bring that thunder.
I got that fire and they don't want me to take aim. We dropping hits all day, bang bang. We get together and it's going up in straight flame. We coming through choo-choo like a freight train. Mr. Switch it up, it's Renegade, I got 100 flows. Every time I get up on the mic, I find a honeycomb. Wanna go to war, I lace it up and get my gun and go. Careful where you step, get swooped by my undertow. We drop it like it's nothing and they saying that it's wonderful. It's beating in the back, the whole track, that's my language. You coming up short, cause I'm something you can't hang with. None want war, got them big nuts dangling.
We got that fire, but that fire like that ganja. Spit hot flames, easily come out the tundra. All the mother rappers spitting shit, so get that plunger. And none want war, cause they know we'll bring that thunder. We got that fire, but that fire like that ganja. Spit hot flames, easily come out the tundra. All the mother rappers spitting shit, so get that plunger. And none want war, cause they know we'll bring that thunder.
So guys, I do have a pretty nice car wash kit, but unfortunately, as you can tell, this paint is not that great, so I just pretty much rinsed the salt off of it. I got the car care kit from Darius. We also got the shirt from D Creator, sporting it. Love this shirt. I'm gonna wear the other one that had to mess up on it, working on my cars, you know, might as well get some use out of it. But those was literally a lifesaver in terms of aggravation. I get easily aggravated, even more so with the stress I'm under. That's beside the fact. It's always nice when things go smoothly, when they glide, I guess you could say. I'm extremely happy with this product, and the giveaway for the rear diff cover is still live. If you haven't entered, not many people have, and I think the reason for that is I kind of set it up to where you have to watch the whole video to know how to enter. So if you're interested in the HoseGlide, I would just say you enter the same way this time that you enter for the hose or the rear diff girdle. And if you don't know how to do that, you might want to go back and watch the video. I don't know. Anyways, got a video coming on the flex seal door panel and review on that before I get to the nitrous stuff. I'm waiting for my daughter to be out for summer, which is only like 4 or 5 days. So anyways, thank y'all for watching. This is Horseplay. I'm out.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't turn around. No matter how far I go, I'll never come.